Welcome to myprojectbuzzer.com. Adaptive multi-resource allocation for cloudlet-based mobile cloud computing. This is our project abstract, where mobile cloud computing utilizing cloudlet is an emerging technology to improve the quality of mobile services. In this paper, to better overcome the main bottleneck of the computational capability of cloudlet and the wireless bandwidth between mobile devices and cloudlet, were considered the multi-resource allocation problem for the cloudlet environment with resource-intensive and latency-sensitive mobile application. The proposed multi-resource allocation strategy enhances the quality of the mobile cloud services in terms of the system throughput and the service latency. We formulated the resource allocation and model as a semi-Markov decision process under the average cost of criterion and solve the optimization problem using the linear programming technology. Through maximizing the long-term reward while meeting the system requirement of the request blocking, probability and the service time latency, and optimal resource allocation policy is calculated. From simulation result, it is indicated that the system adaptively adjusts the allocation policies and about how the resources to allocate and whether to utilize the distant cloud according to the traffic of the mobile services request and the availability of the resources in the system. Our algorithm performs greedy admission control over a broad range of environment. We consider the cloudlet-based mobile cloud computing environment as the cloudlet provides wireless LAN connection for mobile devices within its working range, and the distant cloud infrastructure is connected with cloudlets through the high-speed wired network. The mobile devices can run mobile applications locally or offload some workload to the cloudlet or to the distant cloud for faster executions. In our model, compared to the conventional way of accessing to the distant cloud through a wireless base station, the mobile devices connect to the distant cloud through cloudlets as long as VLAN is available between the mobile devices and the cloudlet, which enables much faster data transmission and lower cost of access to the distant cloud. The base station connection can also be utilized only when the cloudlet is already being maximally used or users are out of the cloudlet range. Upon the arrival of the mobile service request, the system decides whether to run it at a mobile device or offload it to the cloudlet according to the offloading decision that has already been based on network performance and characteristics of the applications. This is our project flow. First, we will have a user login. User login is used for a user to get login, in which the login validation process will be goes on, and there's some data uploading. And our main objective is to upload data and download data from a cloud, so that we include data uploading in this. Next, data transferring. The uploading data needs to be transferred to the cloud, or the download data need to be transferred to a user memory. For the data transferring is get used. Next, resource adaptive management. Resource adaptive management is a core objective of our project. In this resource adaptive management, the file which is need to be get adapt as usual to a storage. The resource adaptive management will take over the management process. Then the cloudlet process. Cloudlet process is an intermediate between the user and the distant cloud, because in this cloudlet process we can able to create the servers which is going to directly connect with a distant cloud. Then next is distant cloud. Distant cloud is a destination in which we can able to store our data in a cloud environment. This is our project. By right clicking the home and run file, our project it starts. In this, click next. In this, you will get a mobile cloud computing screen. In this, login or a register. We can have a login user or a registered user. If a user is not registered, we cannot able to get login. So that first we need to register a user. In this user, it's a mobile cloud registration. And just as usual, cloud computing needs a lot of details about a user to get access in their server, so that we are giving these details to them. And then create a password. Just create anything. Email, just create a sample email. Then mobile number like this. Get registered. Register successfully. Okay. In this mobile cloud login. In this, give a username and this password. Click login. Log it successfully. Next, we will get a file processing. In this file processing, we need to upload a file, so that click on upload. Next, we will get a file uploading screen. In this uploading screen, just find a file which you need to be get uploaded in a cloud environment. I have kept my file in a D colon, so that this is my file, and click next. This is a cloudlet creation. In this cloudlet creation, I just give a two servers needed to be get created to. Just click on create. And one more thing, in this we are using a file. In this we are using a file in a .text file we are using, so that it directly goes to cloudlet creation. If the file extension is not a .text, it will go to a resource management screen, and where the file will be get managed. We can see an example for that also. I have a file like JPG file. Click open. Next, this is our multi-resource allocation screen. In this, we need to check off mobile traffic. Because of our mobile traffic only, the file has needed a multi-resource allocation process. Just checking our mobile traffic, it indicates our traffic is more, so that we need to allocate our resources. I allocate just two resources. Allocate, and note here that our selected file get printed here, gets come here, and manage our file. Next, go next. In this also we can get a cloudlet, because cloudlet is an intermediate between the user and the cloud, so that in this cloudlet we can able to create a number of servers. I can just create two servers. Created. I just click on server number 1. Okay, this is a cloud service. This is actually a distant cloud. We named as a cloud service, and then the file which we are selected gets printed here and get uploaded. Here we can see list of files which has been get uploaded recently. Next, though I have selected the server number 1, I can get what are the files which have been stored in the server number 1 till now. These are the files I have get stored in the server number 1. Thank you.